Hey guys, welcome to Active Art. My name's Laura. I've got something I'm kind of excited about today. I haven't used these in quite a while, and I've only done one pour painting with them, and it came out pretty cool. So I thought I should try it again. And this time I'm going to use metallics in the center and this outer ring, and I'm going to fill the other area with black. Keep it kind of simple. Now the rings probably, the pour probably won't stay pure in the rings once I take them out. But they didn't move around too much last time, but I was using colors like red and blue. I used black with that as well. But the different colors and pigments react a little differently. So never 100% how something's going to go. That's part of the cool part. It's part of what I enjoy actually about acrylic pouring. You try to control it a little bit, get it to do kind of effects you want it to do, and go the direction go the right direction. And hopefully you get it to go the right direction, but it may not stay in the right lane. Oftentimes something a little unexpected happens along the way. Sometimes it's the coolest thing ever, and sometimes you can't wait to paint over it. Alright. Don't want to put too much paint in there, but also, the thing I did with the last time I used the rings is I did a lot of tilting. I did a regular dirty pour with it. It had different colors and everything. But this time I'm going to try to limit how much I do the tilting. And I did not tape the edges on this painting. I figured the edges could be painted black with this, no problem. I'll try to get it done while I'm actually here doing the painting, but after I cut the film, I may go back over it and touch it up, and after it dries, black is easy enough to touch up, so it doesn't look 100%, but when it's on the side, it'll still look good. Let's see how much paint we got over here. Oh, the gold's leaking out. I don't remember it doing it that last time, but I was already tilting it by this time with that last experiment. So when it was moving around, I expected it to be because I was moving it around. So y'all got any creative projects going this week? Well, let me know down in the comments. If you got a video about it, let me know. I'll come by, check it out, see what you got going on. Maybe pick up some inspiration from you, if you don't mind. Could always use extra. Not to copy, but seeing what other people do. I mean, art's part of the joy in life. Whether it's my art or somebody else's. Alright, I'm going to walk around back there and see if I can... Oh yeah.